Be a tourist in your hometown.
I'll be a tourist until...
Shit. So hold on.
Wow. Oh my god. Really?
Can I smack you?
I'm in the bathroom that we have not renovated. We will eventually get that done. I'm just getting ready to film a YouTube video, and then I will sort my things out and pack so we can get out of here. I can never do winged eyeliner like evenly. I just don't know what I'm doing. I swear, some days it comes out perfect, and some days it just comes out just absolutely bizarre. But anyway, so let me get this video recorded and then sort out my clothes. Oh, what am I wearing? I have on I'm just wearing from my collection, the blouse, the sapphire blouse, the very high neck one. Love this thing. It is so luxe. I just love the look of it. Hopefully it comes across. And I'm wearing it with my cargo pants, the ones with asymmetric waistband, which you can adjust, and also the ankle straps you can adjust as well to make them tighter or looser. Okay, so let me get my morning slide.
Road trip. Time to pack. Did I unzip the wrong one? I must. Ah, there we go. All right, this is the gear. Not much, as you can see, but these are a must. Excellent noise canceling headphones. Love them.
Hi, we are at the airport.
Yes.
We just left the lounge, heading to our flight. It's actually a connecting flight. We were originally on JetBlue, and then the flight literally got cancelled on us. So Michael had to find another airline. So we're on Delta.
Yay, Delta.
Thankfully, we just have carry-ons because we've got to do one of those, what do you call them? Connecting flights. So we're connecting through Atlanta, and we're going to end up in...
Our final destination is New Orleans. I'm going home, baby. I can't believe we're on Bourbon Street.
Wow, we made it. I can't believe we caught the connecting flight. We had to actually run to catch it, but we did it. We're here, and now we're starving.
Look at that, brunch. Born in NOLA. Just like me.
Pretty much. Now, this is the one coffee that I love. It's not the one coffee, but it's one of the only coffees that I like.
Let me smell.
Look at this. What do you think?
Wow. I just love the smell of coffee.
Yeah,
Nice.
it does smell so good. We're at Ruby Slipper. It is one of our favorite places in New Orleans to get breakfast. Michael is born and raised in New Orleans, if some of you didn't know. And yeah, this is one of our favorite little brunch spots. How is it?
Wow. That's good. Yeah.
This is for the undecided. We have one with corned beef and one with bacon.
Yeah.
Would you go?
I was very decided. I had my shrimp. Barbecue shrimp.
Welcome to
New Orleans.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need to remind me, feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do, I got a lot lot to do, I got a lot to do. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo.
So you see these horse and carriages, tourists taking them around the quarter. We've actually done it once, haven't we, Michael? We've done the horse and carriage thing, I think. I'm going to go to UAL. Well, we are going to go to UAL. It is a designer consignment shop in New Orleans. And I always go there whenever I am in New Orleans. So I will obviously take you with me.
Turn the party way, about to show the rest what the boy can do. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I'll relocate. Oh, don't play that game.
We're on Charter Street, and that's where it is. See where it says UAL, the sign UAL. That's where we're going. So, God, I hope it's open. You think it's open?
Yep.
Let's have a look. Let me see. Is it? The lights are on. It's open. Oh my God, let's go in.
Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. I don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my place. Shawty, don't play that game. Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mine. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Hey, 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 oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. I don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do, I got a lot to do, I got a lot to do. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Turn the party way, about to show the rest what the boy can do. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Oh, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. I don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my place. Shawty, don't play that game.
cannot believe those amazing two pieces I found. First of all, I thought that was a navy pleated skirt. Did you guys think that? Because I did. I hope you enjoyed. But in the meantime, goodbye from New Orleans. It's Friday. I'm sure we're going to go somewhere tonight. Follow me on my Instagram, because I'm sure I will be picking up from there and showing you. If I don't even show you Friday tonight on my Instagram, I'll be showing it over the weekend. So make sure you're following me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.